So here we are in our newly furnished and renovated house. We've done other tours of this house before, so check out our other viewings, but now this is just what we've got and where we've got it and a few DIY renos that we've done. So firstly, you hit the light. Speaking of which, found this on AliExpress and I thought that would be perfect for our
lost remote.
And it was. Yeah, let's hear about your room that you renovated.
My room that I did. There's a few chipped sections, so please ignore that. They will need to be dealt with in the future when I have the patience or someone gives me strength.
So before they were quite wrecked, we'll show a bit of a before and after. Yeah, cheap job, but now we've got artistry. There's nothing cheap about this, especially the shikui. Look at that texture. No AI in this, just all humanity. Human perfection in all its imperfections. Elise is very sensitive about artwork, so give her a shout out and give her some love.
This is true, I am
please.
sensitive about it.
It's all because of a year 6 art teacher.
That just sounds pathetic.
Well, it is, because you're a true artist.
Our wardrobe, we finally got set up.
These two from IKEA, they were here before, but this was quite an effort to get this. Like, even we got this at Nitori, this big coat hanger rack. Saw it online, knew this would be perfect because I really don't like the cupboard style because things don't get aired out and we need some air in our stuff with how we live our lives here when we aren't here. And it's perfect, and it was so hard. I had to go to the shop because I couldn't order it online. It was just even so hard to communicate. It took an hour and it was just, it made me really feel not great. We got there. We got there in the end, didn't we?
Yeah.
And it's perfect, is it not? Yeah, are you really happy for it? Even got end bits for the jumpsuits, yeah. I've got a bookcase to put in maybe there or downstairs, but we'll get to that.
Do you?
Even just drilling stuff. I got a stud finder and just everything that I drilled in the wall is drilled into a stud, which can't be said for these hand railings, which are actually dangerous because they're just drilled into drywall. So one kind of, well, not kind of, did rip out of the wall when I had a kind of bad knee. It's slowly gotten better over the last 7 weeks, but here we are. Show you more about this. Did some DIY yakisugi. Got this from where? Your favorite shop, Elise?
Nishimatsua.
Nishimatsua. Protect our lovely baby. Got this nice Haro pour over style kettle and got a brass V60. Got some extra pots and pans, the usual. Got this from the corner down the road. Yeah, just want to keep things pretty minimal and tidy, don't we? This was also from Nitori, which really helps us minimize the clutter.
Alone last bit number.
Yeah,
We got a fridge. We got this rack thing.
Yeah, that
We
was
got an
also
intricate
from
bin system finally.
Nitori. This needs an earth, but we're just not using it because apparently no one does. This comes out when we want to make rice. Got this one from Big Camera, Amazon. At the end, we were just kind of using Amazon a whole lot more than we liked. Use it for this too. We really like this kind of industrial, this stuff here, and it just fits in this rack. This rack was a 2-arm. It was just slightly too wide, so I've just kind of hacked it up. Oh, I didn't really hack it up, but it just made a butcher job in the road.
Yeah, some carpet tiles,
Yeah.
which I think has helped for the winter warmth.
Yeah.
And the kids' chaos and
Yeah,
stomping.
stomping, because we do share walls, but even if we didn't, it's pretty loud what white children can do. Especially ones with ADHD. Yeah, the chairs we already had. I kind of nailed this extension cable for the TV reception. Kind of run it along this skirting in the wall here. All around. Got the back here. Oh, we wall mounted a telly. Also from Amazon. I tried to buy this from Big Camera, but it was just too hard to organize and they didn't have it. Really, can we have some quiet time please, Angel? I really love your voice, but we just want to explain this.
For 2 more minutes, okay?
Amazon is a little too easy actually, even easier than back where we're from in
And
Australia.
I hate Amazon and I don't believe in Amazon.
We don't want to support Jeff Bezos, but here we are, just trying to get by. These are like 75-litre boxes. We got one for the camera gear, one from my miscellaneous stuff, one's for Elisa's miscellaneous stuff, and some airsoft gear in there. Got these little cherries. They have better ones from Nitori. I won't say what I got those. Got a little bit of organisation happening up there. Quite daunted about pushing this in the wall, but it was pretty easy to do, but there were mistakes because I'm not much of a DIYer. Certainly not an carpenter. Another one of these we put in the wall. Even trying to find these at the start was just hectic, wasn't it? It was just so disorganized, this place.
Yeah.
And yet here we are with a functional house. We went from complete chaos, did we not, to like a livable place. I was teething at the moment.
Teething and about to get on the plane.
So this 156-litre fridge, it's nothing special, but fits everything that we need. It's perfect for our family size and how much we cook and food prep here. Another baby gate.
This will be useful if it is closed.
Yeah.
Just a little
reminder to everyone out there, including us.
We got a bidet. It's my favourite part of the whole house. It's warm. I'm pretty stoked about that. Lady bits. This is Oshiri. That's your bum. That's your girl bits. That's blow dry. And this is to personalise all your settings.
All of this stuff is warm. It's like a hairdryer for your butt. All this is warm. And you can even do like 5 presets at the back of it. Somebody tell us what's going on here because we don't know.
Yeah, we need to further
incredible
deep dive that.
This runs on battery. It's wireless. We had to have a plumber / electrician come in here and rig all that up, but it is a thing of beauty. We could have got one that had automatic seat lifty thing and automatic flush, but that was a bit of extra price and we don't need that. Okay. And it's short enough that a 3-year-old can hop on there and use it. I'll just let you have your privacies, okay, Ruma? Here's all our luggage. We're about to go out the door. That's why Lisa's a bit stressed.
Take it off.
So not much changed here. We bought an ABC chart, or the hiragana equivalent. This cost me some years of my life. I had to drill into some cement here, and yeah, it just shows you my lack of skill in DIYing. Gosh, that was a stressful job. Took me ages. Took me an afternoon, because I suck. I suck at DIYing. Yeah, we got this Toshiba. It's just 7 kilos, but it's perfect for our needs. Even getting these laundry baskets was a big help to our organization. It was just like a floor drobe in here without this. Just the little things that help us. So we leave that window open and we leave this window open when we're not here. They've both got bars on them. So it's safe and the house gets circulated. Got a shoe rack. And I yakisugi that bit of board and screwed it in. And finally, in the Harry Potter cupboard, mine the recycling, I made a bag rack. That was quite the effort. We gotta go. See you guys. Bye.
See you, Mom.
Or maybe the last day in February.
Yeah. What's that? I got hiccup.
You too.
Yeah. One more time for your coffee. She's laughing.